Yeah, this is what you want to see if you invested in a company. Shares of AI are rocketing higher by 25% right now after posting quarterly results much shinier than expected. The enterprise AI company reported a narrower than expected loss, but also topped revenue expectations in its fiscal third quarter. C3 AI also forecast full-year revenue above the street's expectations due to overwhelming demand for its enterprise AI applications. And for those of you who don't know, enterprise means business. So they work with businesses versus, say, for example, ChatGPT, which is just us, the rest of us, right? Now, they have customers like big oil and gas producer Shell, and they enable them to monitor its thousands of pieces of industrial equipment across its upstream, downstream manufacturing and integrated gas operations. And you know what? Even the world's most powerful aviation fleet, the U.S. Air Force, uses C3 AI's artificial intelligence to maintain and improve aircraft availability. Let's bring in the mind trust behind this. CEO and chairman of C3 AI, Tom Siebel. This has got to feel pretty good, Tom, to see investors react in such a positive way. Can I just get you, because we know you came in narrower losses than expected, can I just get you to give me a sense of why you are so increasing your outlook for 2024 full year? Is it something that you're seeing right now in this current quarter, and what is that?
Well, we've been planning for this AI boom for 15 years, Liz, and we've spent billions of dollars building an AI platform and now scores of turnkey enterprise AI applications to address aerospace, manufacturing, healthcare, supply chain, demand chain, what have you. And now the world has kind of come our way. The world has now realized that AI is really important. There is no business leader, no government leader, no military leader who isn't having a meeting today about how to use AI to improve their business processes. And we have the great good fortune of being called to serve these people, and we, take great pleasure in doing that. And bottom line, business is great.
Is it fair to say that your Filofax, I'm showing my age, I'm kidding, but your calendar is more full this quarter with those types of meetings than what you just reported?
We are busy.
You're very busy. Okay. So how far out do you see the probability of tipping into profitable numbers here? And I know it's less about when and more about what will get you there.
Let's see, we've actually, made some announcements on this, but I think, by the time you get to, so we're just finishing up fiscal year 24 right now, and we have, I think, $750 million of cash. So, and we're very well capitalized. I will certainly be, non-GAAP profitable in fiscal year 26.
Okay.
So we're, right now we're focused on growing the business. We're focused on gaining market share. We're focused on establishing leadership globally in enterprise AI. And, I think that we have what we'll be running here is a long-term, profitable, cash positive enterprise application business.
You look at this field, it's incredibly crowded. I know that a lot of sort of side competitors do different things, different shades of things, but ServiceNow, Oracle, Salesforce, IBM, they're all in the enterprise AI race at this moment, this land grab. And what is it that you push out there to say, we are different than that, we offer more?
So Oracle has an enterprise AI, has an enterprise stack that, I was there when we built it, okay? We started building that in 1983. Okay, Salesforce has a CRM stack, and you might recall I invented CRM.
Yes.
Okay, at Siebel Systems, they have a CRM stack that they finished about the year 2003, and now that AI has become all the rage, Oracle, Salesforce, and many other companies have put an AI sticker on their box. It's the same stack that they've been shipping for years. It just now it says AI. C3 AI is quite different, and we built a technology stack from a whole cloth starting in 2009, spent billions of dollars building a stack, suited for one purpose, and this is design, develop, provision, operate enterprise AI applications. And we're, I think, the world's, in terms of the number of applications that we offer, I think we're the world's leading provider today. So we just didn't put an AI sticker on an old box, and every software company in the world has done that. We're AI out of day one.
You need a Nobel Science Prize. I want your name in there. Tom, thank you. You were there at the beginning. Good to see you, my friend.
Thank you, Liz.